John Brzenk versus Chan Shaw, the GOAT versus the tugboat. Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep Singh from Arm Wrestling News. John Brzenk has finally made a super match comeback on 31st July 2021 or 1st August 2021, depending on whether you live in western or eastern side of the world. Now this video contains spoilers. If you don't want spoilers, then please go to Chan Shaw's channel, watch his video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to his channel, and then come back here later for detailed analysis. It was a best of 5 right-handed super match with a pre-decided stipulation that the first 4 rounds will start inside the straps. Coming into this match, John Brzenk was the heavy favorite in the polls and a slight favorite in betting despite being 57 years old and being outweighed by 70 pounds. Earlier, I predicted John Brzenk to win this match 3-2. Then yesterday, I thought Chance is going to take it. I was totally confused. That is why I did not stake any money on this match. First of all, a shout out to Travis Bagent for being so awesome on the microphone like always. The energy that this guy brings to the room is beyond anyone else's capabilities. Travis is still irreplaceable in the sport in this respect. And shout out to Paul Italia for putting up this event. Round 1 started in the straps and the match stopped on John Brzenk's winning side. Chance laid down and it was called an elbow foul on John Brzenk. On the second ready go, Chance adjusted and flash pinned John Brzenk. Round 2, the match was again stopped on John's side and Chance tried to hold on with the only hope that John will get tired this time. But to his surprise, he didn't and Chance pinned his own arm again. By this point, these two examples made one thing clear. Chan Shaw does not possess a plan B. He cannot arm wrestle on the losing side if his initial hit doesn't work. John Brzenk had exposed the loophole in Chance's game that Neil Pickup was talking about earlier after the Fatal 4-Way event. Basically, Neil Pickup was saying that there is a big void between Chance's first hit and his second surge, and an experienced arm wrestler will take advantage of that. It doesn't get more experience than John Brzenk. Round 3, Chan Shaw got the stop, but John Brzenk's side pressure was way too much for him. Round 4, John got his wrist bent back slightly in the beginning, but then got back his wrist and applied his relentless side pressure, and as expected, Chan Shaw could not come up with any answers to John Brzenk's side pressure. Chance's girlfriend immediately ended the live stream after he lost. I know people are writing comments like, "Don't worry, keep your head up, you only lost to the legend of the sport." But I think secretly Chan Shaw was in a lose-lose situation in this. Because had he won this match, it would have been like, yes, you beat a 57-year-old John Brzenk, so what? But now, since he has lost, some arm wrestlers would secretly be like, he lost to even a 57-year-old John Brzenk. He isn't that great. This was a warm-up match for John Brzenk towards his top 8 journey. He said that he has a 50-50 chance against Chance and he delivered more than that. This match proved two things. John can still be top 8 in the world below 100 kilos and Chan Shaw's rise to the top is put on hold for some time. He isn't on the top level yet. Definitely not in the super heavyweights. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.